hype like you know about my oink oink. We just touching the bad. For Aisha and I left you. I never mean make Aisha and I left you Foota hype. Don't cry on.
Back viewers and the subscribers, what on? Bless up. First and foremost, I will on there with the latest updates and mix downs. So subscribe and like if for your first time over your Pani channel. As well the video description of the video say we are kick it off quick. And Ivany right has been sentenced for stealing phone. Is it? So that from let me see around last year December until now she actually been in custody, and you know she plead guilty. So far of the Wull accusation, I want to tell you say them reports say yo Ivany asked to borrow people phone, and like she there a restaurant and them place there, and then when the then go take picture or something like so basically, and then turn disappear basically. Them can't find her, is it? So an iPhone 11 Pro Max should do it with, and an iPhone XR. We don't know how long she been doing stuff like this, but channel. So right about now I just want to know say she on suspended sentence. So hopefully if she know her name not call for nothing bad, or at least she behave herself as it, she can be free very soon. And I mean she have a next court which a July the 5th court date. So hopefully one knows the year what she get discharged from court on that day. So I don't know what to say. I want to explain because I think she would have money for pay already. Up next we are going to elaborate about the tattoo with Jada Kingdom, you know, put in her face. And I mean, we know say she love tattoo, she love smoke, and she like them type of weird shits the end of the day. I mean, if she feel comfortable with this, I mean, we can't judge her. Trust me, dog. I don't really have no problem with her neither. All thing mother say, just help before anything else. But keep it up. Take it as me tell you, Jada Kingdom was young. Remember, grow share grow. So this is like, you know, accepting her new changes. Anyways, as you can see, the video spicy. I'm going to add different topics in other one for the ladies. And I don't know where Barbara and Wull, that I candy Wull have against Foota hype, but make us see what going in that video.
James, yes, I sure. People, come now. I'm here candy there. No, check in. I come out and back at for Foota hype.
Heard of people, yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have video the boy for.
If nobody wants them to watch in that video, if the movie are going, you will get hurt.
Heard, yes, sir, people, Barbara.
Yeah.
Go over the boy yard, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I tell you, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, the girl that tell me say Foota hype. I call out my blood clot name.
And then the more that come get chichi.
Well, no, I stop. And the shop said, I will have blood clot marks now and call you. And through me I ring your phone. Yeah. And now get you for your phone, Barbara. For make you to come on and WhatsApp for you if it's a hype. I be up over the park there. Yeah. So I don't want to call you, so I make sure to take a bus, come here, come link you. Yeah. We tell you what's going on. Say, what a man I would have done one part.
When they have Johnstone.
Righteous
Papa Pampita, they come meet us. Anybody up on the live yet? You go and check in and Google it. I like Foota hype know about my little oink oink.
My little baby.
Foota hype like you know about my oink oink. We just touching the bad. For Aisha and I left you. I never mean make Aisha and I left your Foota hype. Don't cry on me. Don't do it. Why ever mean you calling my name? Foota hype. Barbara up on the live, you know, my case, come on. Come on, now, what make you call my name?
But every day the girl tell me that she are looking. I'm going to say a wrong man that you forgot.
Foota hype, me know your size.
Foota hype, don't be a pussy.
Me know your size because I'm slim built. And you want something with teeth.
Be a pussy, Foota hype, did it. Him name tell him can't name no more. I bet you a girl.
Foota hype, remember Amber know you. Amber tell me a lot of things about you.
Every girl along out them tongue around and foot time. Never see my along out him mouth. Yeah. This blood clot big body bag. Eh? What me I do without cheat? For me. No. Look how me little bit of blood clot knee. Eh? I'm not ready for play basketball yet, nah, netball. Eh? Put a hype you just fuck me a Charlie Smith hype. Right at 9th Street. You remember? Long time.
I'm come and perform like you're somebody.
Nobody.
I'm not keep me know your fam. I push cat. I'm backward in your blood clot toenail. Your toenail is so dirty. Backward. It's something come in. When you scrape off ginger and add for rubber. You're nasty in a blood clot. You're more big like Chuck Turner.
Put a hype more you find us. Cause we want to meet you so good, man.
Put a on me make your mouth open like folder. Your mouth big no blood clot.
Yeah.
Your mouth big foot of hype. I mean make your blood clot mouth open like folder. Eh, you can't talk about me. Me grow good. I'm spelling my mother name. I'm here the dolly. I grow good. A good dolly this. You know see the dolly I told.
Yeah,
never pan Christmas.
Up here alone.
Never pan Christmas.
Up here alone up here.
None of their friends them can't say them fuck me. Come in the easy way for fuck. And I walk up like clothespin. And squeeze like I can pull away. You know about me? Put a more me buck up in a dance. Say you want to make them a whole one. Mash up your blood class.
Yes.
Christ.
Right.
You can't go with me. You can't go with me.
You can't go nowhere.
Yes, you.
Park shop.
And apart from here, I go 9. But 9, you in a blood class. Why is it so long for this? When I say candy, where I do stop the magnum?
Someone stop up.
Yeah.
Yes, people want to tell some to be black to the boy. When they are Maxine, his mother said, he want the suit, where you forgive him. In promise. So this is, oh God, I need to tell you.
The blood class is this hot.
Yes, it
Murder!
It hurt.
This is not a soup to blood clot, it's a superintendent.
Murder.
Eh? Come candy.
Hey, turn around to the back.
You feel nice in the blood clot. Put out, don't even spoil our day. You can't spoil our day, put out. You can't spoil our day. Put out, if I'm going to go up lively. I have advice. You can't spoil our day. And get our barn and growing. Oh, you can't spoil our day. You know that the people that long to see me? Biggest thing them want to see because them long to see blood clot me. Them long to see me. Cute Barbara. Crumb skin Barbara. When my skin smooth now blood clot, baby, calm me. Refine calm me. Everything me have an audience match all my trust, man. What time you know about me? Bring up on the entertainer friend of mine, you know, fuck.
Yeah.
So all the things then. Ah, that's me go wall on my head. I never wall on my head yet, coming about down to general. Them see it already. Them see some drugs and army. Full army out. What time you know about me? Talk which one entertainer friend them, you know, fuck me. I'm a brother them entertainer a long time. I big up all entertainer. Never try to take one yet. Some of them know them feel. But all the while you go like you want to check for my sound system. What time? Let me ask you something. Let me ask you something. Oh, you love Mike, sir? Mike is a batty man, you know. You just love Mike in your mouth, sir. You put time all the while you want DJ on the mic. You want talk on the mic. You don't do like me and talk without Mike. You love Mike, not blood clot. You can stop my food.
Well, let's go with it there.
Next, on candy style.
Yeah, people you never know say. Suck pussy style Lex. I call up my name, but you know long more wallet. Wanna live? A nice life. Yeah. Lex him. People go over baby lad and tell baby lad say to care about the people. I wanna. Keep the people in the class who's study there. And them clothes. Hey, I would have got a card. Him answer some like here.
Big up all who they are yard and all who they are broad. Oh, that numb. If I never see you in my arms, put that.
Hello, Barbara.
Put that.
Hello, Barbara.
Put that. Come in, Candy. Come bust two wine candy.
I line a blood clot magnum pull, but me a drink.
I stop, she stop about the whole of it. See that?
See there? Stop.